Here's the med kit, alright, dude?
Recording, so.
Got your med kit!
Oh, I'm bleeding. Well, he went outside. He went back inside. He's right in front of you. I got you. Oh, he went upstairs.
Hostile soldier in your AO. Over. Just spotted a hostile soldier.
Did you kill the recon earlier? These recons are smart. They put beacons down so you can see everybody in the buildings. They had 3 of them earlier.
Let's spot a hostile soldier. Keep your eyes open. I've spotted a hostile soldier in your AO. Over. In your area. Over. Here's your first aid. Hostile soldier. Over. Yeah, 5. Hostile sniper. Over.
Heads up, enemy's right there!
Spotted hostile sniper. Over.
I'm using a no right now. Shotgun user.
Heads up, here's that fucking sniper!
5. Hostile soldier. Over.
It's one guy all.
Here's your first aid.
Run.
On the lookout, we spotted a hostile
Hey, you're the
soldier.
one that told me.
Spotted a hostile soldier in your AO. Over.
Kill the guy with the handgun. We made it. Res train for the
You're
win.
getting that first aid right now.
Oh man. That res train was so awesome. Oh, they're coming. They're coming. Let them come to us.
Get back in there!
Oh, I got down.
Thanks, man, I really owe you.
Oh, that beacon and res train. That worked so cool.
Pick up
That's
the
what
first
I
aid.
always do. People cry when I do it. What's his name always crying when I do it? Oh no, I'm coming to you.
Here's your first aid, man.
Alright, let's push. He almost? Oh, they're in the middle.
Here's your med kit. Scout spotted a hostile.
Using no quarter right now so I get better at long range shots. What are you using? Oh, cause Filthy told you to. Good. I bet. I think like Stiller and them are way better than him. 5v5 guys.
I've spotted a hostile.
Archie's actually my friend. He cries a lot. He's in this yellow
Thanks,
container.
man, that was really close.
Alright, they're behind.
Got your ammo here. Pick it up.
Clear one's behind. Oh, I'm getting sniped at. Hold on. Where are you at? Okay, I'm coming.
Alright, get back in the fight.
Is he up on top of it? Shit, watch out. I'm getting my health. Hold on. Yeah. Watch out, he's coming to the left. Okay.
Be advised, I've spotted
Yeah, they're all
a
in the building
hostile
now. Oh,
soldier
shit,
in
I'm
your
down.
area.
Next row.
Hostile sniper, over.
He's on top.
You really have my back on this one. Thanks, man.
He has an X. Oh, I got you. Nice, nice.
Alright, I'm done here. Move it out.
I know. How do you get up there?
Let me
Shoot.
help you.
Oh. Shit.
Here's your med kit.
Yeah. Try and push the water.
Here's your first aid. Spotted a hostile soldier in your AO. Over. First aid's at your feet. Pick it up. Let me push you up.
Where are you at?
Take the med kit there. Need some ammo over here.
I'm working my way over there.
Ammo!
Oh, you're far as fuck. Oh no, you kept on reviving me. No, they don't. And especially people know how to play canals, but they don't know how to play this one. Yeah, a lot of people don't know how to play Karga and TDM. It's way different. I died too. I know. That was awesome, that one though. I'm glad we recorded it.
Here's the first aid, man.
Coming in. Oh, my body. I don't know how he... Just do that.
Hostile soldier in your AO.
Just kill that guy?
Over.
No. Why would he peek like that? You see what I'm talking about? They double peek. Oh, there's so much still left. Outside. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. I got the sniper right by you. I think that was like one of my best rounds.
Fucking dying on me, man.
Don't push it.
Help up. Alright, Sean, you're good to go. Fucking good.
Go back. Get backwards. Retreat.
Pick up
Be
the
one on the
first
side of
aid.
us.
Let me pick him up.
Soldiers. Jump up with this.
Yeah, a
I'm
hostile
trying to get this
sniper.
guy.
Over.
Oh, he fell in the water. Oh, I got kicked, dude, for aimbot. Yeah, stupid Archie.